Hello, how are you? I hope you're doing very, very well. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Liam Dillon and I'm a senior consultant with the Leoran Institute, and I'm happy to be talking to you today about our great course, the Strategic International Project Manager. Let me introduce myself a little bit. Again, my background is project, program and portfolio management over the last 27 years. I've led some major infrastructural and corporation projects and programs, both in the technology, finance, oil and gas industries. And I bring this experience in the position of being a strategic project manager in an awful lot of projects across the world to you in this great course. We're doing it under a virtual platform where we'll be actually engaging with the different thought processes, the different developments in the world of strategic project management in a very interactive and essentially in a classroom-led based environment, except it's virtual. We're looking forward to seeing you there. And some of the key topics that we're going to be talking about in the Strategic International Project Management course will be: how do you drive organizational change? How do you make that happen through strategic projects? How do you enable it within your organization? Again, your role as a strategic project manager with regard to efficiencies and effectiveness in how we deal with those major initiatives. And the third element that we'll tackle within the course is the whole area of transformation, with regard to actually organizational transformation as we move through these great times, and again, in very uncertain times in many ways. How do we use project management to navigate us in these times? Again, I look forward to meeting you in the course, the Strategic International Project Management. And don't forget, it leads to a great certification and you become a certified strategic project manager at the end of the course. Thank you so much. Talk to you soon.